G'day guys, welcome back to another episode of Chux Garage. We've got another car coming in, 4-door, blue, pretty similar to the last one, but it's a Holden. Let's go and get him in. Alright guys, as you can see we have a mint HJ Holden here and Roger, this is Roger's car. So talk us through it mate, how long have you had the car?
Well, we bought it in 2017 on eBay for 960 bucks as pretty much a bucket of shit roller.
Yep.
No paint, holes in the bonnet, hardly any guards, no interior, no nothing.
Yep.
And just progressed from there basically. So.
Yeah, okay. How many years was it, sorry?
2017, so what are we in 21, so 4 years ago.
Well, that's good.
Been on the road for a couple of years already, so.
Oh nice, so you smashed it out pretty quick then?
2 years.
Oh, awesome.
Just about, yeah, pretty much 2 years, maybe just a little bit over.
And
so.
you did the work yourself? Or?
Pretty much. The only thing I haven't really done is built the engine, which Dave Lee did that.
Dave Lee, yep.
And we had a bloke paint it. Sam from SA Race did the trans for me.
Yeah, okay.
Just got a built Turbo 400, full manual.
Yep.
9-inch with True Track, short and CDS with strange centre on it.
Yeah,
411s
nice.
and billets, so yeah.
All the good stuff?
Yeah, well, it's built for horsepower, but unfortunately it hasn't got much horsepower at the moment, so.
And well, we may as well pop the bonnet and see what you've got underneath here, so.
Yeah, cool.
Well, that's very nice.
Yeah.
Now, I did see this when you came to our spring
your
meets.
show, yeah.
Yep, I did see this, and it did.
Along with, I don't know how many other cars.
I know,
it was many bloody cars.
It was ridiculous,
Oh.
wasn't it? It blew our minds how many people showed up, but
yeah.
This one stood out for me, and when you sort of posted it straight on the on that post that I made, I was straight onto it.
Yeah,
so
cool.
it's mate, amazing build. So what do we got here?
Basically, we're only running a pretty much standard bottom end, 2-bolt main.
Yep.
And we got some E Street heads from Outlaws.
Yep.
Nothing huge. It's just got a comp Thumper Series hydraulic roller cam.
Yep.
With roller rockers and all that sort of stuff. That's about it really. Big manifold, 750 double pumper.
Yep.
Running an MSD ignition. And just your usual electric fuel water pump.
Yep.
And that's about it really. She's pretty much stock in the bottom end, it's just been built top end, so.
Yeah, oh nice.
It's been built to cruise, doesn't get hot, it doesn't cough and splatter on us, and
well, that's what you want, isn't it?
it likes to skid, so that's the main part of it. So.
We'll wait to see the skid a little bit later, won't we? All right, and what colour did you end up going with here? Because it's quite a different blue.
Yeah, it's supposed to have 4 layers of pearl in the base of it.
Yeah.
When we were looking at colours, I spoke to Amy numerous of times and just said, look, what colour do you want? Because originally I wanted canary yellow.
Yeah.
Because there's a couple of cars out here that are canary yellow and they're tough as with everything. But then I said, well, she likes the blues, and we went to a candy apple red, and then I come across this colour. I was just driving home from work one day, and this little R32 Golf, GDI Golf comes screaming past me.
Yeah.
And the sun was just in that right spot where I got my eye and went, that's the colour I want in the car. So I went home and just Googled it in R32 and got the colour codes, and then sent it off to the painter, and he came up with this sort of combination, which is not exactly the same, but it's pretty close to the Volkswagen colour. Yeah. Yeah,
well, it looks outstanding, and you've done a killer job here in the engine bay as well. Everything's really tidy.
Yeah, all the wiring's all hidden. We've got relays behind this panel here.
Yeah.
And all the wiring goes back underneath there and right across the front for the wiring loom and across the chassis rails. And
well, it looks amazing, mate.
You like to keep it tidy, so.
Yeah, definitely. We'll move around to the interior. Now, do you know like much of the history of the car or anything like that?
I bought it from a bloke in Murray Bridge, and he unfortunately got sick a few years ago, and then basically he just had too many cars, so he just said, look, bugger it, I'll put it up and I'll sell it.
Yep.
I bought it off him. And that's when he told me his story. And of course, about 12 months ago, I just looked through my phone and I still had his message on his phone of his number and that. So I thought I'd just give him a quick message. Just say, hey, listen, not sure how you're going, send him a couple of photos, just saying the car's finished. And I got a phone call back from him. You know, he got over his cancer and he was
amazing.
And so, yeah, it was really good.
Oh,
so,
that's awesome to, you know, I'm sure he would have been pretty amazed at where the car's got to. So
compared to what it was when I first bought it, so.
All right, very good, mate. Righto, let's, like I do, I jump in most cars, so I'll jump in this.
I think you'll be able to fit in that one.
Well, yeah, I'll fit in the XW, the last one, so let's, there's a bloody ton of room in this thing. How good are these seats too?
Yeah, they were bought on eBay as well in Melbourne.
Are they original sort of seats?
They are, yep.
They are?
They're original seats. Original seats but been reupholstered, so.
Yeah.
I found them and just, they were actually the first thing I actually bought.
That's a good seating position. I like this.
It suits you.
Oh, thanks. Thanks to that, I'll be looking for one on Facebook Marketplace later. And so what shifter you got here?
Just a Quicksilver.
Yeah.
The dash and everything, I hand built.
You did all this?
Yeah, hand built all the dash. The old man's got a folding machine home in the shed, so we folded up all that, and there's probably maybe 72 hours work in the dashboard alone.
Bloody hell. Well, it looks very nice and clean. Like that nice
That's
dash.
what I was looking for.
Yeah, absolutely. Your little USB port down here, what's that for the stereo, is it?
Yeah, for the phone charger, and you got a little Bluetooth set up in there. I got an amp and two 6x9s hiding in the parcel shelf. Because you got to have tunes. I mean, you can listen to bloody horsepower all day in your car running, but if you're on a long run, you just listen to some tunes as well. So.
Absolutely. No, this is, I like it. It's tasteful. It's done really nicely. And what wheels are you running here?
Combos. They were bought second hand as well off of Marketplace. I bought them off a bloke in Holden Hill.
Yeah.
Which he regrets now, I believe.
I bet he does.
So running the offsets on the rear because we got the short and 9-inch in it.
Yep. Haven't tubbed it?
No, only running 255 tyre.
Yeah, okay.
So.
No, that looks really nice.
Yeah. But people ask me how much horsepower's I got. We don't know.
Yeah.
Wouldn't have a clue. Never put it on a dyno, never done anything. Just tuned it by ear and is what it is.
Well, that's it, mate. And you've done a hell of a job and sounds tough, looks tough. So, and you drove it here and you can drive it home and cruise it wherever.
As long as it doesn't rain.
I think you'll be right.
Yeah,
it might rain, but you'll be right, mate. Bit of fun.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming down, mate. We'll end this here, but like I do to all my guests, I'll get you to sign Mickey Thompson.
The combo.
And then if you want to do a burnout, you can do a burnout.
You might be able to twist my arm sideways.
All right. Well, here we go. We'll get you to sign the wall, mate.
Absolutely.